Huawei just ditched Windows for good and launched their first laptop with HarmonyOS. Is this the future of computing? Stick with GadInsider to find out why this is a game changer. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech breakthroughs. Huawei is making waves with a bold move away from Windows, unveiling their first HarmonyOS-powered laptop. Let's dive into what this means for you. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to catch all our exclusive tech updates. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Huawei's new laptop, launching May 19th, runs HarmonyOS 5, a fully homegrown OS. Why the switch? US sanctions cut Huawei off from Windows licenses, pushing them to go all in on HarmonyOS. This isn't just a laptop, it's Huawei's bid to rival Windows and Mac OS. Unlike early HarmonyOS versions that mimicked Android, this is a desktop-class OS with a custom kernel, taskbar, and dock. Sleek, modern, and ready to take on the big players. But can it deliver? Let's find out. HarmonyOS 5 brings a Mac OS-like vibe with a dock and resizable windows for multitasking. It's packed with AI, featuring Huawei's assistant Celia, which can summarize documents, create slides, and more. Over 2,000 apps are supported, including WPS Office and Chinese favorites like DingTalk and Bilibili. Plus, it syncs seamlessly with Huawei phones and tablets, letting you drag and drop files across devices. But here's the catch: no side-loading apps, so you're locked into Huawei's app gallery. Deal breaker or smart move? Comment below. This laptop is Huawei's push for tech independence. HarmonyOS already powers their phones, TVs, and watches, and it's grabbed 19% of China's smartphone market, beating iOS. With chip-level encryption and a super privacy mode, it's built for security-conscious users. Huawei's betting big on a unified ecosystem like Apple's, but it's mostly aimed at China for now. Could this reshape the global PC market, or is it too niche? Let us know what you think. Huawei's not stopping there. At HTC 2025 in June, expect more HarmonyOS PC reveals, maybe even an Ultra MateBook. With 10,000 engineers working on this OS, Huawei's playing the long game. Excited for Huawei's HarmonyOS revolution? Like this video and subscribe to GadInsider for the latest tech scoops.